Hi, I'm Jutta, and today I will show you how to make a Vichy Check pattern brush in Procreate. Let's start by opening a square canvas. Mine here is 3000 by 3000 pixel wide. You can make your own canvas by tapping the plus sign and switch to pixel. Then insert the desired number, 3000 by 3000 pixel. Tap Done and Procreate will open the canvas right away. Open the color panel and pick a pure black value. This is very important as only a pure black will be 100% opaque when drawing. Double tap in a blackish area and the color wheel will make it snap to a pure black value. You can verify by switching over to value and check if all the RGB sliders are on the left and the number says 0 in all three boxes. Color drop this pure black value on your canvas. Now we will transform this layer and decrease its size by half. Make sure snapping is enabled and pull the top right node to the center. As soon as you see the yellow lines appear, you can let go. You can verify if your black square is now 15,000 pixels wide by just tapping one of the nodes. Add another layer. This time we need a medium gray value. We proceed the same way as with black. Double tap in a gray area and the dot here snaps to a medium gray value. Color drop onto layer 2. We now decrease its size by half as well, but this time we want to place our square in the top left corner. Add a third layer. Color drop the gray value again, shrink its size by half and place it in the bottom right corner. This is how your canvas should look like now. Open the Copy and Paste menu. If you use the default settings in Procreate, you can open it with a 3-finger swipe down. I put this menu on my Apple Pencil double tap. Tap Copy All. Open your brush library. Tap the plus button to create a new brush, which opens up the Brush Studio right away. First, we open the Grain panel. Here it says Grain Source and Edit. Let's tap that. We are in the grain editor now. Tap Import and Paste. Usually, you would have to invert your source image by tapping with 2 fingers. However, in this special case, it doesn't matter at all where your black and white squares are located. The gray squares won't change anyways. For our end result, it does not make any difference, so you can go either way. Tap Done. Next, we want to switch from moving over to texturizing. And here we can already kind of identify our pattern, however, way too big. So let's decrease the size by moving the scale slider to the left. I like mine at about 7%. Next, we need to open the Shape panel. This is our shape source. I personally don't like it when my brush has this crisp outline, so that's why I want to change my source. Tap Edit to open the shape editor. Go to Import and this time we choose Source Library. Scroll until you find Bleed. This time, the image has already inverted in color. You will only apply color to the canvas where your image source is white or gray. Tap Done. Let's go to Apple Pencil now. As you can see, by default, our brush kind of fades in and out. If you like it, you leave everything as is. I don't like this effect, so I will turn it off by moving the opacity slider all to the left. Move one panel down to Brush Properties. Usually, if you like to draw a pattern, you need quite a big brush. So let's increase the maximum size to about 300%. We also want to bump the preview size down to 15% or so. That's the brush symbol you see in your brush library. Lastly, move down to About this brush. Insert a brush name, your name, signature, and of course a photo. That way, in case you want to give this brush away, no one can just copy it and pretend they made this amazing pattern brush. Tap Done, and now we have created our own Vichy Check brush. You can adjust any settings as you go. Just tap the brush to open the Brush Studio, make your changes and tap Done. Let's try it out with a nice pink shade. Oh, so cute! And next week, we are going to draw a cute illustration together using this Vichy Check brush. So make sure you hit subscribe and turn on that notification bell to get notified when the video is uploaded. For now, my aim is to publish my videos on Mondays. Let me know in the comments if you have any other day preference. And of course, don't forget to like this video and share it with all of your creative friends. Thanks for watching. We see each other in the next video. Bye!